In 1818, John Keats informed, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Now in 2008, my family members, including myself, thought that a film of Rajinikanth, joy for a lifetime. So I am now trying to talk about a cinema ticket which our entire family was wanting for even before the release of the film, 3 months in advance. Because with the advent of media and other publicities, the film has been given such a hype and about the star. So we decided before 3 months, like a festival season or celebration, we decided this occasion we should participate in the first week of the show. Nothing less than that. To delay it, the charm goes away. So we were waiting for that moment, and the day also came. And we went to, particularly I have to take the responsibility of booking the tickets. Since there is a lot of hype about that, the fans, very crazy about Rajinikanth down south, especially in Tamil Nadu. We had a cinema complex where it has housed about 5 halls. And 2-3 halls it has been released. So I thought of going on the first day, stand in front of the counter and take my ticket as the first person or second person, whatever is possible. I also know that the booking will be open only 3 days before the show. On the first day I went, a lot of enthusiasm with me, and decided to stand in the queue. By the time 4 or 5 people were already there, I was in the 5th in the queue. So I was a little confident, okay, I'll get this, because at least I am in the 5th now. So first man was issued, my tension was the butterflies were going inside up and down, and still I was longing when my turn will come. The second man got the ticket, the third man got the ticket, and I was to go next after 4th and 5th. I am the 5th one. Then somebody came and displayed. My dear friends, this is what is displayed. So, to my surprise, I was wondering how this could happen. The third person only has got the ticket, and how it could happen. Maybe I couldn't find the story, why it has happened. I have to come back to my home with sorry cutting figure. Like, when I went, I was like this, telling my family members, I'll get you the ticket. But unfortunately, when I came back, I was having another kind of picture. To my surprise and all your surprise, you will see this. This was my fate of apartment. So I cannot give up now also. I promised them, I'll try again tomorrow. What is it, 3 days before? I'll go a little early. The counter opens at only 8 o'clock. I'll go early and stand in the queue. What is the problem? I'll get it. Tomorrow I'm very confident I'll go. So next day morning, I went. Again, unfortunately, I was only 3rd. So again, butterflies were inside, in the stomach, and I thought, okay, at least 3rd yesterday they gave it. Because many a times in big theatres and very demanding pictures, the people inside the theatres, the pantry people and other people, they themselves take a chunk of tickets, like inside trading, and chunks, and they sell it in the black market the time of the show. So second day I couldn't understand this. So I was waiting, okay, 3rd person as I am there, and I will get that. To my misfortune, again after the 2nd person, the same show came. Booking closed. So I was very desperate, and I had to go to my home like an intruder from a foreign country to my home. And whole lot of capability of evaluation of mine for the past 15-17 years from the day of marriage and cross question, and also my smartness. So best way at that time is to just listen. So I have improved my listening skill on that day. Because I had to listen for continuously like a film show for 3 hours. But there is no answer for me because I cannot prove my smartness on that day. So that night went like a nightmare. So next day, this time I decided, I'll go before the sunrise. Let me see what happens. I went, but in the theatre I could see the gate was locked. So I had to be behind the bars, waiting for somebody to bring the key for success. At 8 o'clock only the show counter opens. So I was longing, who will come and how to go into that. The key came in the hands of the watchman at 8 o'clock. I was very happy. I was feeling at least some light at the end of the tunnel. Something is waiting for me, I do not know what is it. I was thinking light at the end of the tunnel, at last I could see. The watchman came, he opened, I ran into the counter and stood. Again the display came, little different statement. Booking closed for next 7 days. So I had to all at him and literally say, hell broke loose. I had to hold this fellow literally, and that fellow patiently ignored me. Why are you asking me? Please go inside, that fellow will come, you ask him. I am not responsible for this. Then I have to politely ask him, sir, when he will come? He coolly said, if you come at 10 or 10:30, please wait. Then again in the third glass door, I was waiting. I came at 10:30. Then he said, don't worry sir, this kind of things happens. I will insure the ticket, give me 3 times the money, and come on the particular day. I will definitely give you the ticket. So I have to take his views and opinion. I had to give 3 times the ticket, which was costing about 150 rupees, 450 per ticket. I gave him it with a little ray of hope that coming Saturday, definitely I'll meet, because already I given the money. And I went home and told the family we will go on Saturday. And the day came, we went to the show, and that person was not available. So I ran him, and unfortunately, I couldn't get him. Finally, he was coming out of the toilet after some time, like this. Then I had to console him and convince him, telling that I gave you the money. After some time, he said, yes, sir, I'll give you. Gave the ticket, and it's like that. Winning an award, like A.R. Rahman. For me, it was like that. So I went inside, looked at it myself, my family members, all in four and together, and just I was getting a sigh of relief, feeling that I am on the podium of the dais, I am going to the dais to win a lifetime achievement award. It lasted only for a few seconds or few minutes. After 2 minutes of the show, we could see the film which was shown is already seen last year with the same kind of struggle. This is what it happens for your Toastmaster.